children, today we will start with lesson 3 subtraction, page number 61. The topic is subtraction of number with regrouping or with borrowing. So let me show you an example. For example, if I will write subtract 37 minus 9. As you know, a smaller number, we subtract a smaller number from a greater number. So as a whole 37 is a greater number and 9 is a smaller number. But when we arrange them in ones and tens place, like 7 will become in ones place, 3 will becomes in tens place, minus 9. Here you can see that 7 is smaller than 9. So in this case what we have to do, we have to borrow from the tens place. So as you know, it is 3 tens, that means 30, and it is 7 ones. So what we have to do, we have to borrow from 3 tens. How much we will borrow? We will borrow 1 tens from 3 tens and write it in ones place. So we will write 1 tens we will borrow means 1 tenth plus 7 we will do. So it will be 17 ones. So we will write here 17, and from 3 tens we have borrowed 1 tenth, so it will become 3 tenths, that is 30, minus 1 tenths, so it will remain 2 tenths. So here we will write 2. So 17 minus 9, it will be 8, and 2 will come down. So the answer will be 28. So children, how we will do? As we know that 37 minus 9, 37 is greater and 9 is the smaller number, but when we are placing it under ones and tens place, 7 is the smaller number, 7 is smaller than 9. So to make it a greater number, what we have to do, we have to borrow from the tens place. So we have borrowed from 3 tens 1 tenth, so we have written 1 tenths plus 7, that is 17, and here 3 tenths is there, so we have subtracted 1 tenths, that remain 2 tenths or 20. So we will write 2 tenths. So 17 minus 9 is 8, and 2 will remain down. So the answer will be 28. Let me tell you some more numbers so that you will be clear. You can clear your doubts. See, the question is 46 minus 7. Here also it is placed under ones and tens. So 6 is smaller than 7. So what we will do, we will borrow from 4 tenths. So how much we will borrow? We will borrow 1 tenth. So 1 tenth plus 6, it will become 16. And from 4 tenths we have borrowed 1 tenth, so it will remain 3. So 16 minus 7, that is your 9. And 3 will come down, so the answer is 39. Let me tell you another number. 82 minus 6. See, 2 is smaller than 6, so we have to make it greater. So what we will do, we will borrow it from 8 tenths. So from 8 tenths we will borrow tenths here. So 10 plus 2, that will be your 12. And from 8 tenths we have borrowed 1 tenth, so it will remain 7. So 12 minus 6, that is 6, and 7 will come down. So the answer is 76. Then we will learn subtract a 2-digit number from a 2-digit numbers. See, we have subtracted 1 digit from 2 digit. Now we will do 2-digit number from 2 digit. See, 38 minus 19. Here also 8 is smaller than 9, so we have to borrow it. So from 3 we will borrow to 8. So 1 tenths we will borrow, it will become 18. And from 3 tenths we have borrowed 1 tenth, so it will remain 2 tenths. So 18 minus 9, it is 9, and 2 minus 1, it will be 1. Another number you see, 64 minus 37. Here also 4 is smaller than 7. So what we have to do, we have to borrow from 6 tenths. We will borrow 1 tenth from 6 tenths, so it will become 14. So children, how 14 is coming? Because 1 tenth we are borrowing from 6 tenths, so it is 10, and this 4 we will add, so it become 14. From 6 tenths, I have taken 1 tenths to ones place. So from 60, we will minus 10. So it will remain 50. That is 5 tenths. So remain 5. 14 minus 7, that is 7. 5 minus 3, that is 2. So the answer is 27. In the next exercise, subtraction of number with 0 at ones place. Let me show you if what 0 is there in one place. Same what you have to do. You have to, if 0 is smaller than 4, so we have to borrow from 5 tens. So what we will do, from 5 tens we will borrow 1 tens to 0. So it will become 10, and from 5 tens we have borrowed, so it will remain 4 tens. So 10 minus 4, that is 6, and 4 minus 1, that is 36. Let me do one more. 80 minus 51. So 0 is there and it is smaller than 1, so we will borrow from 8 10, so it become 10, and from 8 tens we have borrow 1 10, so it will remain 7. So 10 minus 1, it is 9, and 7 minus 5, it is 2. So the answer is 29.